Hello, good day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in your Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, highlight the columns that you like to see if there are duplicates in, and as for my case, it's these two. Next, press right click, and in the search tab over here, type in a duplicate. It should show two values. First, let's see if there are any duplicates. I'm gonna press duplicate values, and there are, so press OK, and it should highlight duplicates. Now, if you want to delete the duplicates, right click again, type in duplicate, and press remove duplicates. And in this tab, it shows the employee ID and the employee name. But as for me, the employee ID doesn't have any duplicates, so I'm just gonna have to uncheck for that and press OK. And it should remove the duplicates. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.